Hello guys, today we are talking about how to uninstall, restore default Apple applications. This may be your first time using iPhone and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. The latest versions of iOS allow you to delete standard Apple applications that you don't use and they take up space in your storage. For example, I want to uninstall Apple Maps. You can uninstall such an app by holding your finger on it, selecting Remove App in the menu. You can restore such applications in the same way as the usual ones. Through the App Store. Go there. Enter the name of the application in the search and click on Download. That's it. If you are wondering how to uninstall or restore default Apple applications, this is the easiest way now. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.